Tokyo fell years ago. Now the city's veins run with SynthMerc, liquid data, raw power. Name's Kiira, memory runner, tech smuggler, corporate ghost. Everyone wants a piece of the code now. Syndicates, scavengers, dead-eyed execs who trade in souls like stocks. They think I'm stealing from them, but this city owes me everything. They want their data back, but I'm already rewriting it. They built the city like a prison, but they forgot one thing. Every lock can be picked. Every firewall can burn. They made me a tool, but I made myself a weapon. This is my sanctuary. No gods, no masters, just math and vengeance. Every second I stay ahead of them is a second the city gets closer to waking up. They fed us lies, called it light, thought we were too dumb to see the rot behind the glass. They tried to program me, but ghosts don't follow commands. Revolution doesn't wear a uniform. It slips past cameras, bleeds gold, and sometimes it breaks the system.